Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to add someone on Google Chat. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to text someone on Google Chat, it is very simple. All you need to do is open up your web browser, and then on the search box, you need to type in the link that is chat.google.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And after that, you'll be directed to your chat. And on this interface, in order to add someone, what you need to do is first thing, you need to tap on the search tool which is on the chat in the left hand side corner. Once you tap on it, next thing you need to do is enter the name of the person that you want to chat with, and you'll need to enter their Gmail address. Once you do that, next thing you need to do is tap on invite, and after that an invitation link will be sent to the person and along with the invite link, and you also need to type in the message, and if the other person accepts your invite, then you'll be able to chat with the person. And that is how you can add someone on your Google Chat. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.